So now that we are done with this scare tactics, say hey, Winter.
Hi.
So today we're going to get started on working on the powder bubble bath and the shower steamers. Yesterday I did a bunch of candle tarts. My husband is going to be doing a photo shoot for the website soon. So I just wanted to get those ready for him. That way, once the pop-up shop is here, like if people want to buy stuff and I don't have as much inventory on me, they can at least buy, what I have. Um, and I will send it to them for free. So that is the goal. Very excited and also nervous about what's going to end up happening at the pop-up shop, but it's my first one, and if nothing else, it'll be a learning experience. So yeah, we got a lot to do today, so I'm gonna get started on those, and if I can, I'm gonna try to fit in making the body oils, because those are the things that take the least effort, basically. The body butters and the body scrubs, not necessarily body scrubs, but the body butters for sure take forever to get done. So I'm kind of putting those off for the last minute and trying to get all the small stuff out of the way first. So yeah, let's get started. Trying to figure out where I want you guys to be. Y'all okay?
Yeah.
Y'all good?
Yeah.
If you ain't good, let me know now, because I can make some changes. All right, let's go. Can you put these back? We're going glasses list today. Let's see how that works out for us. Go put that back. Go put it exactly where you got it from. If y'all don't got kids, either don't or wait. Don't say I never told you nothing.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so.
Okay, so I spent longer than expected on the shower steamers. I made a bunch of them, so I'm not mad at that, but I will be able to do the bubble bath tomorrow. I was gonna pull an all-nighter today, but then I forgot that I was taking out some friends for their engagement today, so I gotta go run Winter to my mom and get pretty. So let's do that, and I'll probably see you tomorrow or in the next video.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to-
Hey everybody, so I am finally on my last day of making products for the pop-up shop that's coming. It is Monday and the pop-up shop is actually on Saturday, so I'm feeling pretty good about my progress. The only thing that I have left to do after I finish this batch of body butter is to label all the things that I haven't labeled yet. So I have a bunch of body butters just sitting around unlabeled, as you can see back there, scrubs and all that stuff needs to be labeled. So yeah, as you can see here, I have a bunch of oils, body butter, scrubs. I have a ton more on the on my shelf here, and I have some more that I was using for my display of the pop-up shop. And I think I'm going to quickly show you guys what I have so far as like what I want my setup to look like. So I'll take you guys with me. Winter, can you turn the TV off? Or just pause it, so because it's too loud. I gotta ask for permission to go in my own living room. Mom life. I look so busted, oh my gosh. Never. I normally wouldn't come on camera or let anybody see me like this, but it is what it is. All right, thank you, Lovey. So, my house is a mess, just trying to set up for everything. You can see all those boxes back there. But this is kind of what we got so far. So this green bench, I thought I was gonna only use 2 tables, but I'm gonna end up using a third one. So that one is basically taking the place of the table. I just kind of wanted to like see where I'm gonna put everything. Obviously this stuff is not gonna go there. Those are extra wax melts. But this is a backdrop situation that we have going on. Obviously I'm gonna fix the curtains nicely, but I have my little banner and some curtains, a backdrop. Another table, like I said, is gonna go there. And on this table here, I'm going to have the wax melts, room sprays, and then here I'm still debating if I'm gonna put some of, say hey Winter. Hi. I'm still debating if I'm gonna put bubble bath and steamers here, or if I'm going to use that space for lashes. And then the front table, I have this, I took it down yesterday because I couldn't watch TV, but I have this huge rack that I'm gonna put like a bunch of body butters on, body scrubs, yada yada. And then here I'll have the oils, some more shower steamers, and I have these gift boxes that I was trying to, this is one that didn't work out. But I will show you guys what it looks like once it's all made up and everything. But this is one of the gift boxes that I was going to sell, so we'll see what happens with those. And then I have my normal pink ones that I'm gonna display as well, and those are just gonna go here in the center. So far this is the setup, and this is this huge banner that I bought. And I actually got this from Amazon. I was gonna go on Etsy, but I got it on Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive and it came really quickly. So I think it's so pretty. So this is gonna go probably like catty cornered somewhere at the front of the tables. But yeah, so far this is what we got. And Right now I'm gonna finish labeling up some of the products.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah.
You guys, it turned out so good. The setup was perfect. The location was great. The people were great. I made so much more money than I expected. I'm just overjoyed, and I'm grateful for my family for coming with me, helping me set up, helping me like keep things together mentally. And overall, I'm thankful for myself for taking a chance on myself. And if this is something you're thinking about doing, go and do it. I encourage you to. And just keep in mind that no matter your journey, you are a rose. You got this.